My name is David Dorrier, and I will be the facilitator for this workshop, the ABCs of Speaking in Public: Agenda, Beliefs, and 5 core communication skills. The ABCs, the foundational pieces to be a great speaker. Just like in any business, a plumber, a pilot, a military person, all have foundational training that they will use for the rest of their careers. So this is one of those things, foundational speaking skills. I guarantee that if you adopt these ABCs into your speaking, you will be less nervous, you will be more prepared, and you will definitely impact your audience better. So I look forward to you joining me for the ABCs of Speaking in Public. It will be an engaging workshop, so don't be afraid to have your camera on and to meet new people. Have a great day. Bye-bye.